In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the images you created with AI, the article that you had ChatGPT write for you. We're going to take that, we're going to put it into a blog post, move some stuff around, and since we have everything written, it shouldn't take too long. So first things first, we're going to click on Add New and then Post, and give it a second to load there. You'll see the screen that pops up. We can put a title, and this is where we're going to be putting our text over here. And also, I'll point out if you're in the dashboard and you want to get a post, you can go to the post section, add new, and it's going to take you to this page as well. So we're taking the title, Dandelions, the Unkillable Warriors of the Suburban Jungle. We're going to put it in there. I'm going to come to my ChatGPT written article over here. I will paste that in there. I asked it to put in titles and subtitles and all that fun stuff, so that's going to save me a little bit of work. It's got it as the H3s there, and then it's just a bolded paragraph for the subtitle to kind of make it easy to get through different parts of this article. To break up the article a little bit, we'll throw some images in here. Uploading images isn't too difficult. So first things first, we'll just kind of do some of the square images, I guess. So I have those pulled up over here. Actually, I'm gonna put all my images in at once. I resized these, gave them good names. We losslessly compress these with TinyPNG, just because we're always going to be doing that anytime we upload images into our blog post. So now we have the image in there, and we don't want this weird spacing here, so we're just going to tell it to go to the left or to the right of the text over there. I'm just going to randomly throw it in somewhere else. Let's go right there. And we'll put this one on. Test these in a second to kind of see how this goes. And we'll put one more in here to kind of break up the page a little bit. So same thing. It's going to be that one. And that. We're going to click Edit. We're going to tell it we want this one to be full size because it's just going to kind of break up the text a little bit. And then let me come over here and see how big these ones are going to be. So 300 by 300, maybe just a touch bigger for those. Go 500, 500. Might be a touch big, but then we'll come over here. We can preview this draft. See how that's looking, if that one got a little bit too big. Breaking it up a little bit. With an article this long, I might put another image or two in there. I guess one thing I don't like, the text is going to be just a little bit too light, so I'm going to come over here, make sure it's using a black font there. And then the last thing I'm going to do as part of the instructions is to put the featured image in. Also, the featured image is the one that shows as the preview. It's going to go above it, and then when you're showing a bunch of blog posts and there's a preview image, that's going to be the one that shows too. So let me go ahead and publish this real quick, and I'll right click on View Post to open that in a new tab so we can take a look over here. And now we got our featured image over there, got our title, when it was published, and we got our story, title, subtitles, some nice looking photos, some stuff to break it up, and super simple since we're just using all AI generated stuff. But this is how you're going to get a post into a WordPress website.